we gather to officially hand over the Child Protection and Family Services Agency's Therapeutic Center, the first of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. The project was managed by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund and financed by the Government of Jamaica and the Caribbean Development Bank through its Basic Needs Trust Fund, valued at approximately $200 million.
It's been a long time in coming for us to have a facility like this here in Jamaica. And the banner behind me represents partnership, right? It represents what happens when you have successful partnerships.
The successful completion of this project is yet another positive outcome of the ongoing collaboration between CDB and the government and people of Jamaica.
This has been such a dream and vision of the CPFSA from the days of our first CEO, Ms. Alice Anderson McLean of blessed memory. And of course, it leaves everyone from the CPFSA here on cloud nine.
Overall, the project will benefit 4,400 children in state care, that is, children's homes, places of safety, foster care, family reintegration, and those in need of psychological and mental interventions.
CPFSA's Children Therapeutic Center is an important development in the provision of therapeutic services for children who may be victims of abuse, who may have experienced psychological trauma, or are brought before the court for behavioral issues.
Additionally, the project will benefit 16,000 children and their families who will access the services of the Child Protection and Family Services Agency on an annual basis. The CPFSA staff will also benefit from a series of training programs. This includes the training of 27 social workers, 161 caregivers, and 48 children's homes attendants and caregivers trained in skills to equip them for their workplace.
This government is taking action to undo the damage as a result of abuse in all its forms by providing interventions such as the services that will be offered at this center. I believe we're striving to make a difference in the lives of our children.
We are protecting our children, transforming their lives one day at a time.
The facility will provide not just therapeutic treatment, but we'll have programs designed by a team of specialists, including psychiatrists, psychologists, occupational therapists, and guidance counselors. An investment in this therapeutic center is certainly a meaningful investment in our future generation.
Jamaica's children are in need of more and more available, specialized, and consistent mental health services. And that is why the government is making this intervention to be able to treat with it, and we are starting specifically with the children who are in state care.